welcome back to Elevated with Zai. This space where we glow, grow, and level up in every way. If you're new here, hi, I'm Zai, and trust me, you're right on time. In today's video, as you guys can see from the title, I'm doing a luxury streetwear unboxing video and review featuring Cristian Zerotre boots and a matching bag. Now, if you guys aren't familiar with this brand, there's the Instagram right there. They are an Italian brand and they hand make all their pieces. I've been wanting pieces that give elevated streetwear style but still wearable, and these pieces caught my attention. Let's get into the unboxing because presentation matters, okay? Right off the bat, the packaging feels very intentional. Like it's already giving premium before we get to the product. First up, let's talk about the boots because, yeah, these are a statement. What I immediately noticed was the quality. The material feels sturdy, structured, and expensive. They're giving that luxury streetwear edge without trying too hard. I love that they're bold, but still neutral enough to style with different outfits. So as you guys can see right here, these are the Lunar Red Calypso 300 edition shoes. Like, as I already said, y'all, the quality of this shoe right here was definitely worth the price. I love the detailing of the laces. The zipper works really well. You guys know sometimes when you order shoes from other countries and people's brands, the zipper is always like, you know, fidgety. Right up, right down. And I loved how they stamped their brand on the front, you know? Let people know. Designed in Milano, made in Italy, never stop. Worldwide distribution. They do sell worldwide. Another unique thing about the shoe is this chain, like this little key ring chain they put on here. So you see you got you a teddy bear right there. They give you a little bell. I don't know too much about the bell because I don't want people to hear me coming. Maybe I do want people to hear me coming. Just a little bit like, ooh, what she got on her feet? But this key ring can easily come off if you guys don't want to wear it. You can just simply undo the laces and the ring will come right off. It has this pink strap as well. This bear is so cute. I can't get over the bear, y'all. Now for sizing, I would say it is pretty much a true to size fit. Although it is slightly loose on the website, I do recommend getting your normal size. So don't size up or size down. I ordered me a size 7/7.5 in men, which is converted to a 9.5 and 10 in women. So as for my European size, it would be a 40. Comfort wise, they feel solid, not flimsy at all, which is super important because nobody wants boots that look good but hurts after 10 minutes. So due to them slightly being big, I will be inserting a shoe insole just to take up some of the extra room that's in there. Now, if you guys are wondering why I didn't size down because of the extra space, I was nervous about it being too small because I know if I wear a thick enough sock, I have the perfect amount of space in the shoe. It's not big, it's not flopping or anything. So I know that if I insert that shoe insole, it's gonna be the perfect size. That's why I say not to size down or size up and just to get your regular size. I feel like I could easily see these shoes with some cargos or some oversized denim, or even style with a two-piece short skirt. That lets the boots do all the talking. Now let's get into the bag because this might actually be my favorite piece. The design is clean but still has personality. It's one of those bags that instantly elevates your outfit. Like even if you're wearing something simple, the bag still pulls everything together. I just love the structure of the bag, the hardware, and how versatile it feels. As you guys can see, this bag has the charms that match the boots. This time it has like a clip instead of like a ring, so that you can just clip it off if you don't want it. They added the signature brand stamp here if you guys could see it. I feel like you could dress this bag up or down, which is always gonna be a win. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I did think the bag was gonna be a little bigger, but now that I'm seeing it in person and how flexible it is, this is the perfect sizing. Like literally, this is definitely giving everyday luxury. Overall, I am generally impressed with this brand. This is not my first time purchasing something. If you guys remember that vlog I did a little bit over a year ago, I had the denim version of these shoes right here. I feel like both of these pieces feel well made, stylish, and intentional. This is the type of brand that fits perfectly into that luxury streetwear lane. Not overly flashy, but it still makes a statement. And if y'all are thinking about picking anything up, I gotcha. You can use my code, the official ZyBand, to get 10% off on your order. Not just the first one, or the second one, or the third one, on all of your orders. I'll make sure to have it linked down below my description so you guys can find it. Between this shoe right here and the bag, let me know down below in the comments which piece you guys loved more. And let me know, like, how would you style it? Like, would you style it together with the same look or style it separately? If you guys enjoyed this video, let me know down below by hitting that like button, as well as commenting down below and hitting that subscribe button. And I just feel like if you hit the subscribe button, you might as well just turn on my post notifications so you guys know when I post, so you guys don't miss an upload. In the meantime, in between time, your girl's gonna start brainstorming on how she's gonna style these pieces and where she's gonna go. So as I always say, keep your standards high and your vibes even higher. Don't just dream it, elevate it, okay? You were made to shine and level up, so don't forget it. And I'll catch you guys next week with a new video.